Here's a program that I made, or partially made, I guess, because AI made it for me. But anyways, it lets you select an area where there's text, name the area. Let's just do top screen, just for simplicity's sake. Set a hotkey for this area, and select a voice. These voices are pulled from the Windows voices. So if you have Windows 11, I think it will be more voices. You could probably add more voices as well for different languages. Yes, this works for every language. As long as you obviously put the right voice, it'll just read the text. You could yeah. Anyways, that's a Windows thing, so that's where it grabs the voices. Sorry. Speed, I'll set that to 150 because that speed I think is all right. And then if we just press the button,
I think so. The light switch is toast though.
It'll read the text. So this game has text on top, on bottom, different places. If you have any other games, you could just add as many areas as you want, as long as you have hotkeys for them, like keyboard keys or mouse keys or whatever. And you can also obviously select the same area and select a different voice, like a female voice. If some female character is talking, you just press that button, yada yada. And so that works. There is can ignore usernames. This is for chat functions. You could rig chat as well. I haven't tested it that much. This ignores like gibberish, like some random characters. All these checkboxes are experimental, which it shows here in the help screen. And also some texts for their program can be hard to read. So like,
I think so. The light switch is toast though.
This looks pretty good, but for instance, some games have not as clear text boxes. You could go to image processing and like make it look, well, obviously now it's just black and white, but like put the contrast up, the brightness, whatever, to make the text pop more, so the program can see the text more clearly. And then you just apply the processing. Oh yeah, I gotta save. Anyways, so I made a load layout. Already made it for this game here. So if you set up the game, you just open the program, select your save file, and you're good to go. And here is actually you could put your like character names or whatever you want here. So let's test, and then ABC. It'll now never read these two words, I guess you could say. Pretty intuitive, if that's the right word to use. It's pretty straightforward. And yeah, this debug thing lets you see what it reads or whatever, what the program outputs as text, because it just it just takes a screenshot and then looks for the text in that screenshot and then processes that over and then reads it. It's not 100% correct all the time, but just how that works. It is using OCR, which is something you need to install for this to work at all. I'll link my GitHub here for like instructions on how to download it. You download it by going here to the right, releases, and then downloading the ESC. Or you could compile it yourself if you want to. It's just made in Python. Whoops. And yeah, you need this program to install this program in its default location by downloading this and installing that. Otherwise, it won't read anything and it won't work. So the back end of the whole program is this. So thanks to these guys. So yeah. There might be bugs. Probably is. But as long as I've tested it, it works all right. So yeah. Have fun. Not reading. Yes. And yes, I do have dyslexia myself. And a lot of games is like, yeah, I would like to play it, but it's a lot of text, so no thanks. This makes it a lot easier for all of those games. So yeah, I thought I'd just share this so people would know about it, at least. Okay, bye.